Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. Today I have a box from Amazon. I ordered a pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Let's open it! Yeah! Let's do it. Ta-da! Bluetooth 5.0 earphones by PZX. Ta-da! Black bag, and here is the product. PZX. Removing the film. This is a cheap plastic case. On the back of the case is a charging port. Pressing the red button opens it. As you can see, I ordered red. Let's try picking up the right one. Oh, putting it back is almost magnetic. It comes with a carrying case, and look, there's a strap and a charging cord and extra buds. These are good, very useful. And this strap and this charging cord. I'm going to attach the strap to the case. Ta-da! Beautiful. Now to pair it with my iPhone 6 Plus. I need to select Air TWS. It's connected. The bottom one, Air TWS-L, allows you to have a standalone. Okay. I'm putting in the right one. And now the left one. Time to pair them. Here, all right. Wow. It's fantastic. Wow, I'm amazed. Both sides sound fantastic. Wow. To get Siri, press the left earbud twice. Okay? To make a call, press the right earbud twice. To play or stop a song, press either side once. So to play a song, press it once. To stop it, just press either side once. Like that. Okay, it works. To go back to the previous song, press the left earbud for 2 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000. Then press play. It worked. To go forward a song, press the right earbud for 2 seconds. And press play. It worked. Excellent. The sound quality is amazing. Wow, I can't wait to use these when I go jogging. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.